We're gonna work on the Met Gala look right now. It's 3 days out and the look is not done. This year's theme is Fashion is Art, which feels very aligned with a lot of the pieces that we do. A combination of traditional methods of craft combined with technology completes a Grace Ling product. So this is going to be the front that goes over the dress. This is the dress part, and this is a neck piece that's going to come here. This is going to be the 3D printed bag, and there is like a V opening where you can see the corset. It's going to be 3D printed and plated in chrome, and metal is a very heavy material, but I still wanted it to retain this sort of like lightness and almost like it's being windswept. We are partnering with Charles & Keith to make these custom shoes just for this Met Gala look. Growing up, you know, my parents would like save up to buy me a Charles & Keith shoes, so like for them to make me custom shoes for the Met Gala is like, it's really like a full circle moment. So this is a prototype, and the final one is gonna have a piece like just like going up. I like that it could be a claw, it could be like a horn, it could be a thorn, and it also kind of mimics how the way the tree branches are going to be like coming off the dress. Which do you think I should wear? All right, now that you've seen a sneak peek of the dress, I have to go to work. I have to go to work.